guys, it's Tiff, and today I am going to show you how to do your winged eyeliner. It's definitely something that takes a little bit of practice, but once you get it down, it's pretty simple. So if you want to see how to get winged liner like this right here, then you're in the right place. Just keep watching. Make sure you are subscribed down below so you are notified of every time I upload a new video, which is every Thursday. And yeah, let's jump right in.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start out with is going in and drawing a nice smooth flat line. This is going to be just the base, and obviously I will build it up and make it thicker as I go on. So I get a little bit thicker as I go to the outside, and then once I get to that corner, I am then going to work on the wing. So I take the brush, an angled brush, and I go ahead and feather it up lightly, and then from the point I move it downwards and create like a triangle shape, and then just go in and fill the triangle in, and then I just take it and build up the intensity of the black and sharpen up the edges, smooth everything out. Moving on to the other eye, so I am simply repeating that process again, starting with the base, getting a nice flat line, trying to keep that as close to the lash line as I possibly can. And then a trick for the wing, you want the wing to go towards where the end of your brow would go, so you can take your brush and you can line it up to the edge of your eyebrow where your eyebrow stops, and that would be the direction that you would want your point to go in. So again, feathering the brush very lightly up into a point as far out as I want it to go, and then bringing it down, creating that triangle shape, and then just filling in the black, making sure that it's connected kind of to the lower lash line. That way it kind of blends in together. Here's another tip for you guys. If you find that there's a spot that's a little bit messy and not the cleanest, you can just take some concealer, take a brush, dab some on the back of your hand, dip in with your little concealer brush, and then you can just simply go along the edges and clean it up.
So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure you click the like button down below. Make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you next week. Bye guys. Mwah.